Hi, I'm Tom Bradford. I'm a lawyer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a restricted certificate of sponsorship, or CoS. Here are the instructions. You must apply for a restricted certificate of sponsorship if you want to recruit a migrant under the Tier 2 general visa route who will be applying for leave to enter the UK from overseas and who will be paid less than $154,500 a year. Or someone who's currently in the UK as a dependent of another migrant who was last granted permission to stay as a Tier 4 student. You must be an A-rated sponsor and have a sponsor license. I've got other videos on that. And you must have that under Tier 2 General in order to apply for a restricted certificate of sponsorship. So here's how it works. You need to sign into the sponsor management system, and once you're here on the home screen, you click on Workers, and then you click on Restricted Certificate of Sponsorship, and then you click on Apply for a Restricted Certificate of Sponsorship. Now from this screen, you've got to select the restricted category in which you wish to apply. So as I say, either Tier 2 new hires under 150k or Tier 4 dependents switching to Tier 2. So let's click on Tier 2 General New Hires Restricted, and then you've got to enter the number of certificates of sponsorship that you want. In this case it's going to be 1. Then you click on Next, and that takes you to this screen where you've got to enter the details of employment. So once you've done that, and I'm going to do a separate video just about the detail that you have to enter here. So it includes gross allowances and job on a client contract and description of that. So I'll deal with that separately in a video on eligibility. You click on Next. That will take you to this screen, the application for restricted CoS confirmation screen, where you complete the declaration, you agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. That will take you to the application for restricted CoS submitted screen, where you click OK. So that's how to apply for a restricted certificate of sponsorship. This video is part of a series on how to operate the sponsor management system and also on how to apply for particular visas under particular categories. If you want any help or you have any questions about an application you might be making or planning, please don't hesitate to contact me. My details are below. You can message me or drop me an email. I look forward to hearing from you, and see you in the next video.